Most people who sell covered calls do it the wrong way. And that includes some of the people that teach you how to sell covered calls because they don't share with you the right information, or at least information in depth. So in the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to go in and share with you some insight on how to really maximize your return on selling covered calls and get the most bang for your buck on stocks you already have. Now, if you don't know me right now, I'm Sasha, the options coach, and I've coached people over the last 10 years on how to trade options. So let's kick things off and let's get started for selling covered calls the right way. Now, in many cases, what happens with a covered call and the way you are taught is you're going to buy a certain stock at a certain price. Okay, and what a covered call does is it allows you to sell that stock at a higher price. So let's say we buy the stock at 80 and we're going to sell it at 85. Okay, so that gives us a $5 run or a $5 move on those 100 shares that we've purchased, giving us $500 in potential profit plus the premium that we get from selling the option. Now, this is the normal, typical way that's being taught. However, what most people don't realize is you can actually sell more calls than the stock ownership that you already have, which means if you're not doing that already, you're missing things out. So here's, for example, let's say I have 100 shares. Well, I might sell or pre-sell that stock at 85 by selling the call option, but what if I also do something around 88 and something maybe around 90? Because the chance of that stock getting to 88 or even 90 is a lot slimmer. And that allows me to pocket a little bit more capital in different spots. So as the stock is trickling up, and you might say, okay, well, I lost the 100 shares here. I owe those 100 shares. Well, if it keeps trickling up, I could also just buy the stock at 88. And then I've already determined that I'm going to sell and get rid of that stock at 88. So if I bought at 88 and I sold at 88, I don't make any profit from the stock gain. But what I do get is I get that option premium. Well, let's just say we get $150. So that allows me to collect some income. But if the stock went sideways, the good news is I would get that money even if it went sideways, which means if you're not selling a few extras beyond those 100 shares that you have in order to kind of neutralize some of the delta, especially on stocks that are lagging, then you're kind of missing out. And I'll show you a trade example here. This is one quick one from a simulated trade with one of my coaching students that I've worked with, and one of the trade examples we have in our courses. But you can see here what I've got is I've got 500 shares of stock. And then what I'm doing on the CMG is I'm selling positions all over the place. And I'm selling way more calls than I have. Now, yes, that exposes me to some risk if the stock continues to go higher. However, what you'll see is as this thing starts getting closer to expiration, there's going to be a few of these contracts that just expire worthless and nothing ends up happening. For example, these ones on October 11th, they've got a day to go and they are just going to be completely worthless here because the stock is under that level. So that means I'm selling a bunch of extras that I don't have, keeping my delta a little more neutralized. So anyways, I hope that gives you a little insight and take as far as, really understanding how options are able to make you and generate you even more income, even if that stock is moving sideways. Because for a lot of people, if they have 100 shares, they will sell one option contract. Or if they have 300 shares, they will sell 3 option contracts. The reality is if you have 300 shares, you might be able to sell 5 or 6 option contracts, giving you a much more of an income boost. Anyways, I hope this helps, gives you a little insight. And if you have some more questions, do reach out and send me a quick note below, and I'd be happy to get in touch with you and chat a little further about options. Anyways, thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.